We welcome all our visitors. The phone we are going to tell you about is the iPhone 12. iPhone 12 having Wi-Fi problem. Wi-Fi is hidden. We will tell you best way to fix it. As you can see in the video, we try to connect it to Wi-Fi, but its icon is not showing. After carefully removing the LCD, disconnect all the connectors and pull out the board. Carefully pull out the board and the connector on the back. When opening the board, take special care to carefully disconnect the flex underneath the board and carefully pull the board out without putting too much pressure or pulling on your board. A further problem may arise. Carefully separate the flakes attached to the bag. Following are some important steps for testing the board to determine the type of fault. Verification of accessories. Verify accessories with the board, such as connection wires, capacitors, resistors, and small parts. If any joints are stained or loose or have grounding or other problems, it is possible that the board is frayed. Check of capacitors and resistors. Check the capacitors and resistors on the board for quality. If any capacitors or resistors are open or stained, it is possible that the board is faulty. The board catcher will hold the motherboard very carefully. The shield is mounted on top of the motherboard. Carefully remove the shield and your temperature should be normal. Test power supply. Connect the board to the power supply and see if the board turns on properly or not. If the board does not switch or is inoperative, the board may be faulty. Verification of health of components. Verify the health of various parts of the board. Are any parts unusual or altered? If yes, then it is possible that the board is faulty. Printed circuit board PCB inspection. The PCB of the board should be free of any fungus, rotator, or spots. If a problem is found, it is possible that the board is faulty. Check test points. Check the test points on the board for any damage or malfunction. With the help of all these measures, you can determine the faulty nature of the board. After connecting the board layer with the help of preheater and packing it again, now check if our Wi-Fi is in normal condition. Hope you like this video. To see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified of every new video.